Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I will be sharing the best places to spray perfume on your body to smell good all day and have heads turning trying to find that scent. Okay, so let's start with the perfume I will be using in this video. And thank you Dossier for sending me this fragrance. So let's go ahead and get into the video. The fragrance that I chose was the Oriental Cherry. And one thing about Dossier that I like off the back is that it does come with a sample fragrance. So if for whatever reason you don't like the scent, just don't open the full-size bottle and you can return it for a full refund. Dossier makes fragrance inspired by luxury brands, like the Oriental Cherry is inspired by Tom Ford, and these perfumes are at the fraction of the price because a Tom Ford is $350, but you're paying $49 for Oriental Cherry. But now let's just talk about how it smells. The Oriental Cherry is probably my favorite out of the three that I have in this video. Yes, it's definitely my favorite. I'm smelling it right now and it smells so good. And it really describes all of the fragrance online to where you would know if you would like it or not. So this one has a very sweet but light, subtle scent to it, and that's what I love about it. Plus, I'm a sucker for packaging, so do you guys see the magnetic tops or what? The next scent I got with my own money, and this one is the Oriental Vanilla, and I love the way this one smells as well. I don't know, I like the Oriental Cherry more, but this one at the same time is right there with it. So it's pretty much the opposite of the Oriental Cherry. So that one's more on the sweeter side. This one is more on a woody, kind of more, I don't want to say earthy, but more woody side. And it's funny, really quick, how things work out, because I had ordered my Dossier perfume just because I've been seeing videos going around and I've been looking for some perfume and cologne for me and my love. So I looked into Dossier. And right when I ordered my Dossier and it came in the mail, that's when I got an email and they reached out to me and asking if I wanted to work with them and collab with them. And I'm just like, wow, it's crazy how things work out. Okay, and this last fragrance I bought for my love, and I love this one. I feel like it is gender friendly, in my opinion at least. It reminds me of vacation. Yeah, it just reminds me of like a day at the beach. If I had to describe the scent, to me, it's like a fruity, spicy scent. It's more so male friendly in my opinion, but to be honest, I will still wear it. Yeah, he might have to hide this one from me. Shh, the secrets are here. Okay, so the first secret to applying perfume is to start with Vaseline. In this video, I'm using Aquaphor because I didn't have Vaseline. And the first pulse point that we're gonna rub the Vaseline on is the back of our ears. This is the perfect place because people will notice when they greet you how amazing you smell just by spraying the back of your ears. This is perfect for when you're going in for that romantic kiss. Another good pulse point is inside the elbows. That will help heat up the perfume and allow the fragrance to work better. This is even better when you're wearing clothes that don't cover your elbow because it allows the perfume to really linger. Behind the knee is another key point. If you haven't noticed, we are tackling all the creases. The creases is our hidden gems. That's where you want to really focus the perfume at. When you put your perfume behind the knee and you walk by somebody that's sitting down, they will notice that perfume so much more than if you only have perfume on your neck. Another secret is one that we all do. Do not rub your wrist when you're applying your perfume. Instead, spray perfume on both sides of your wrist and allow it to air dry. This would allow your perfume to last a lot longer. Thank you for being here with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Hit the bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a video.